The reason why I choose UMN is UMN has a good accreditation and many UMN graduates have a good career pathways and are accepted in big companies. And the reason why I choose visual communication design is because I have a high interest in the arts and want to develop my skills in the field design. What I do when I have free time is play the guitar and sing any song because it calms my mind and I can forget about problem for a moment. The technique used in graphic design is a grid which is used to arrange the composition of the design layout. Another technique used in graphic designer is digital imaging by combining several images into one unit by considering the aesthetic value. The software used in graphic design is Adobe Illustrator, which is usually used to create a design element. Then there is the InDesign application. Usually graphic designers use this software to create layout. And next, most frequently used application is Adobe Photoshop, which is usually used for editing process and digital imaging. When creating a new business, branding professionals are often shocked because it is very important to create a company identity and relate to the company segmentation and targets. In my opinion, advertisement on television now seems old-fashioned because there are a lot digital advertisement that are currently developing, such as Videotron advertisement, which attract the attention of children and adults because they are displayed in public area and Videotron advertisement use a lot of 3D assets, which make people interested in seeing them. TV advertising has very expensive costs, and the TV advertising strategy is very effective in my opinion because every time you watch TV, the advertisement on TV are played over and over again, so they stick in your mind.
Currently, I live in the Alogio cluster, which is located in Pagedangan. I choose to live there because the location of the Alogio cluster is very strategic, make it easier for students to go to campus or hang out. Alogio cluster is a housing cluster in which there are many boarding houses for students or employees. The Alogio cluster is also directly connected to commercial facilities to meet the daily needs of its residents, and the Alogio boarding house also has flexible prices for students. My favorite type of music is pop music because pop music has tunes and lyrics that tend to be simple, related to everyday life. Therefore, this genre of music is easier to digest and very easy to sing, even easy to memorize the lyrics. This pop music genre is a universal music genre because it is well received by people. My taste in music can change every year because I follow the music trends that are developing every year and listen to songs from artists that many other people like too. Skills that are important for designers. Number 1, mastery of graphic design software. Graphic designers must master software such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. Understanding the tools and features available in this software helps in creating attractive and professional design. Number 2, creativity and visual equity. Graphic designers must have a creativity, imagination, and the ability to think visually. Graphic designers must be able to think out of the box, seek inspiration from various sources, and develop a unique design style that can attract clients. Number 3, understanding composition and typography. Graphic designers must understand the basic principle of composition, such as balance, contrast, and proportion. Apart from that, it is also necessary to understand typography well, including choosing the right font, size, and type arrangement. Number 4, illustration and drawing skills. Skills in drawing and illustration are valuable assets in graphic design. Graphic designers must develop hand drawing skills using both traditional and digital tools, because mastery of illustration technique help in creating unique and original visual elements in design. Number 5, problem-solving skills. Graphic designers must have problem-solving skills, including the ability to think critically, find alternative solutions, and adapt to change. The most popular type of advertising printings is digital printing. Is a technique for printing digital-based image in the form of files and then printing them on a media platform quickly. Digital printing uses a color management system so that colors printed remain the same as those before printing. Example of a digital printing such as ID cards, brochures, flyers, banners, books, magazines, and calendars, and the others. In my opinion, professional branding doesn't only focus on what we will market, but also how we market it, whom we market it to, what the marketing system is, and so on. Professional branding also covers all marketing needs such as logos, taglines, and advertisements that have been well conceptualized and consistent so that it can attract consumers' attention and interest in the brand. In my opinion, television advertising can provide information to the market about new product, propose new uses for a product, inform the market about price changes, explain how a product works, explain the services available, correct wrong impressions, reduce buyer anxiety, and build the company's image. However, advertising on television requires very large costs to produce and broadcast commercial advertisement on television, and also advertising broadcast times are often less flexible, so that it's possible that they can reach the entire target market for the advertisement.